Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to I Think It. I cannot believe it is January 1st, 2020. I feel like a lot of us want to be healthier every time that a new year starts. So I was thinking, you know what? This is the perfect opportunity to kick Veganuary by showing you 3 recipes that you can make for breakfast that are going to be completely allergen free. They're going to be vegan, they're going to be gluten free, nut free, soy free, and cook without oil. If you want to learn what I do for breakfast, then keep on watching this video. First of all, let me start by showing you how I make breakfast on the go. This smoothie is going to be packed with protein, so I know all of you are going to like it. So basically what I do first is that I add a banana. Don't judge me, I bought several bananas. Okay, so I just add a whole banana. And I have my own protein powder. You probably have noticed that a lot of the vegan protein powders have pea protein, and I'm actually allergic to peas, so I cannot have those. This is the only one that I found in the market that it is free of all allergens. It's from Divided Sunset. If you want to take a look, I think I got it in Walmart. So basically, if you add 2 tablespoons of this protein powder, you're getting 10 grams of protein. I love to add coconut milk-based yogurt. It can be any flavor, any plant-based yogurt that you might like. In my case, I like this one from So Delicious, so I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons. This is so important. I love coconut flakes, so add as many coconut flakes as you might want. I don't have like a measuring cup for this, so we're just gonna add them. Another thing that I love to add is chia seeds. So 2 teaspoons are going to be equal to 6 grams of protein. So we're just gonna go ahead and add that. For this, I literally have to measure it. Okay, that is 1 teaspoon. 2. And then just top that with your favorite plant-based milk. You already know I love oat milk. Oh, I forgot, I always have to shake it. As I told you, it's an easy one and it's on the go. I'm going to link every single product that I use and also all of the appliances that I'm using in my Amazon store, so you get to check those out. This was like really cheap. I feel like it's a good investment. This blender actually comes with these 2. So this one's for on the go, and this one's if you just want to have it at home. So in this case, I'm just gonna have it at home. I swear it is my favorite. It is so good, and I feel like when you add the yogurt, it makes it nice. So it blends in with the protein powder, which I honestly cannot take by itself. For our second breakfast option, I'm going to be making breakfast tacos. I make them with black beans. I've already made these black beans, but all I need to do right now is blend them so I can fry them. If you want to know how I make the beans, I actually cook a black bean soup in my What I Eat in a Day video, so you can click the link above or it's going to be in the description box below. Once you finish watching this video, you can go ahead, just click that. It's going to take you automatically to the section where I'm cooking the black bean soup, so you get to learn how I do it. What I do next is just add vegan cheese. I add the beans. If you have any shredded veggies, then go ahead and add them here. This is how I typically will serve it. And sometimes I add tomatoes and onions to the amount of tomatoes, so that's why I didn't add them. But you can add any veggies that you might want depending on the time that you have to cook, because I feel like for breakfast I usually don't have a lot of time. So this is a really easy breakfast to do that I feel like a lot of us already make, and it's completely vegan and it's a nice option. So now it's time to give it a try. I almost made a mess. That vegan cheese is delicious. If you haven't tried Follow Your Heart, the provolone one is the closest that it gets to the real cheese. This last recipe is going to help a lot of you that also have an oat allergy on top of the other allergens that I have. I feel like I use a lot of oat milk and oat flour, but a lot of you are substituting those for the flour that works best for you, the plant-based milk that works best for you. So in this case, if you're not allergic to rice, then you're good to go. I'm going to show you how I make rice with milk. This is another recipe that I grew up watching my grandma cooking. I honestly don't have the recipe from her, but I kept trying until I got something that tasted very similar to the one that she used to cook. So I'm going to show you how I make the arroz con leche, rice with milk, which is a great substitute for oatmeal. Go ahead and add a cup of rice. And now go ahead and add 3 cups of rice milk. And I'm going to cook this for about 25 minutes. Okay, so now that the rice is cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add more milk. You're going to need ground cinnamon. And you're also going to need some lemon juice. And even though I have already added cinnamon, my grandma used to put the whole sticks. So I'm just gonna add a few of these. So cook this for about 10 minutes and then you are ready to serve. One thing that I have to note is that rice milk is not as sweet as oat milk. I'm not sure which type of plant-based milk do you use, but if you use one that is not as sweet, make sure that you add a little bit of sugar to this dish. It's just exactly what it needs to be, as sweet as life gets. Thank you guys for being here. I wish you the best in this new year. I really hope that all your dreams come true, and I honestly hope that you stick around for this year and you learn more recipes with me. If you enjoy this channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you love this video, leave any comments below if you're going to give a try to the recipes that I share with you, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for growing with me. We are getting close to 400 subscribers. Today is actually December 22nd. So I don't know if I'll be near 400 or a little over 400. So please disregard if we already made it to 400, but if we haven't made it to 400, please subscribe. Hope to see you guys around next week, and Happy New Year. Bye guys!